Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure the earbuds have some charge and are close to the phone. Once done, open your phone's settings and turn Bluetooth on so it can scan. Next, power on the Skullcandy buds and press the pairing or multifunction button for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This puts them into pairing mode so your phone can find them. You should now see the Skullcandy model appear in your phone's Bluetooth list. Tap the name to start pairing. If the phone asks for a PIN, enter 0000 or 1234. Most Skullcandy models use one of these. After you tap to connect, listen for a confirmation tone from the earbuds or watch the phone show, connected. Make sure media audio is in. You finish by testing audio and the microphone, play music and make a short call to ensure everything works. If you plan to use more than one device, enable device switching in the Skullcandy app or repair when switching. If pairing fails, try a reset. Power off, then hold the buttons for 8 to 10 seconds until LEDs flash, clear the phone's Bluetooth entry for the earbuds, and repeat pairing. That reset solves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.